Digging this party glasses. I don't know if I'm supposed to take it off. It's finally here. My new glasses. I got this from Eyebuydirect. I ordered it September 19, 2020. And today is September 28. 9 days from cut the lens, fit it into the frame, and ship it out to me. It says that Eyebuydirect is from Texas, but it's actually mailed from zip code 92123. So if you're in California like me, you're gonna get it fast. Moment of truth. I'm always nervous getting new glasses. Ooh, okay, there we go. Special coating on it. Ooh, look at that. Special diamond right there, because the type of lens that I ordered, it's a party lens. Here it goes. Moment of truth. Okay, take some time adjusting to it. Okay, alright. I want to look in the mirror. Yeah. So yeah, believe it or not guys, this is not Ray-Ban, Oakley, or anything like that. This is a house brand frame. So it's a generic Eyebuydirect frame. And it's called Flume, and the color is the gray floral, and the size is medium. I have a really big head. If I'm wearing a cap, I would go for a large or extra large. Look, it doesn't distort my face too much through the lens, right? Because it's using a rounded frame, and also this is the high index lens, 1.74, which is crazy. The total cost of this with all the coatings and the frame, it's $107.66, which is crazy. Guys, I bought this from Loma Linda Optometry with Spectra as my vision insurance, and it cost me like a little over $250.
He fucked up.
Alright, I can show you guys right here. So this is the eyebuydirect.com, right? I use this feature to try it on, and look, it will apply my picture. It will give you an idea how it will look like. So yeah, compare this to this. And I think I found this very pleasant. This is such a pleasant experience. I'm digging this party glasses. I don't know if I'm supposed to take it off or should I just keep it? What do you think? So yeah, man, Eyebuydirect. It really came through. Eyebuydirect. Sponsor me, Eyebuydirect, if you want more glasses reviews. You know what time it is. It's time to call my wife. I'm gonna show her how I look now. Hopefully she gets turned on. Look at this dude. Yeah, if you guys new to this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click that notification button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.